Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Storytelling. We have an exciting story from the Alphabet Adventure series, A to G. Once upon a time, there was a brave little boy named Ahmed. One day, Ahmed found a cute dog. Together, they explored a beautiful garden. While walking in the garden, they saw butterflies flying all around. Ahmed and his new friend chased them happily and played fun adventures. As they explored, Ahmed found a beautiful cat too. The cat was soft and friendly, and they all had a lot of fun together. Let's learn some new words from the story. B for brave, boy, butterflies, beautiful. C for cute, cat, chased. D for dog. E for explored. F for found, fun. G for garden. Great job, little learners. You did amazing today. Keep practicing, and let's explore more alphabet stories soon. See you next time. Bye-bye.